All right, well today I'm over here resetting my raccoon trap again, and as usual we're always trying something different just to see what happens. So today we're going to try some pizza and some mixed fruit. What a combination, right? So let's go ahead and set this bad boy. This one's so easy to set. They're not all created equal. Sometimes the springs, like the one I got at home, the camouflage one, the spring is a lot harder on it. All right, let's shove this down in there. There we go. Yeah, I got this pizza. It's kind of hard and it's a few days old. Should work pretty good. And I bet they're gonna love this. Just put one little piece down inside. There was nothing left in this trap, so something came in here and got it. It rained yesterday, so I didn't reset it. Oh, they're gonna love this, folks. This is perfect. Yeah. And then of course I always use a little dog food. Well, maybe not always, sometimes I use cat food. So all right, let's see if we catch the one that I let go or if we catch a different one. So that's it for now. I guess we will wait till later tonight, and just about bet we'll be getting some pictures on the camera again. So all right, I'll head back to the truck and see what happens. All right, well, I came to check my dog-proof trap over here, and we got one in there, and he's tore this place all up. And I got my camera set in here, but the batteries went dead in it, so we didn't know that he was in here last night. And he's just sitting here kind of breathing. He won't really acknowledge me too much. There he goes. What's wrong, buddy? Huh? Yeah. Are you bad boy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, you look shy, huh? Are you shy? Huh? All right, well, the pizza and the mixed fruit worked pretty good on this one. So I'm gonna get off of here now and go ahead and take care of him, and we'll reset it, and then we'll try something different and see what happens next time.